Replacing this valve, I might have to go to the front here. This is about 49, and this is, I guess I could open up a hole right here, or go in through the front. There's just a big void back here with HVAC, and I should make a little access panel, honestly. All right, so it was requested, because of the mess this makes, it was requested that I make a little door right here. So it's fine with me. There you go. Nice little door you can get into. Access the shower valve. So I have no problem doing that. Now they have a little room they can store stuff in, if they so choose. When I started saying, I was like, okay, well, we need to move all this stuff, because when I cut this fiberglass just gets everywhere, dude. So I was like, I could try to go through the back, but they're like, yeah, all right, let's do that. So it's perfect. It's pretty cool, actually. Not gonna lie. Kind of wish I had that in my house. All right. All right. Cut this out. Got the valve cut out. All right, so I'm sweating this one mainly because this is ultra soft copper. I mean, with one hand I can bend this. It's really soft. So I'm just gonna sweat this up, and there's so much play in this thing that yeah, so all right, let's do it. All right, turned out good, folks. Boom. And then let's hope there's no leaky leaks. I've been pressing too much. Been pressing way too much. Not soldering enough. There you go. Let's turn the water on. There you go, fool. What's up, fool? trying to take a shower? All right, I just gotta cock this, and then that's it, man.